Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most popular middleweight naked bikes on the market, the new 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Known for its thrilling performance, approachable nature, and aggressive style, the MT-07 has been a top choice for riders of all levels. For 2026, Yamaha gives this fan favorite some refined updates to keep it leading the pack. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this MT-07 is more compelling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 MT-07 keeps its signature muscular and minimalist design but introduces sharper LED lighting and a slightly redesigned front look for increased attitude. The tank shrouds have been smoothed out for better ergonomics while maintaining the MT family's dark, stealthy personality. New color schemes and lightweight wheel designs give riders more ways to stand out on the street. Performance and powertrain. Powering the MT-07 is the tried and true 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine, loved for its instant torque and lively character. For 2026, Yamaha has optimized the fuel injection and exhaust system for a smoother, more responsive pull across the rev range. A refined gearbox and upgraded slipper clutch help improve shift feel, making spirited riding even more rewarding. The chassis remains agile and confidence-inspiring, perfect for both commuting and weekend fun. Safety and technology. Yamaha continues to enhance rider confidence with updated traction control and assist electronics. A new 5-inch TFT display offers better visibility and smartphone connectivity for navigation and notifications. LED turn signals and improved braking response help ensure the MT-07 remains safe and modern in everyday riding situations. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 builds on its legacy with refined performance, bolder styling, and smarter technology. It remains a leader in the middleweight class thanks to its balance of fun, practicality, and value. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first rides of the machines that keep the passion alive.